everyone, welcome to my channel Jazz Classes. I am Utkarsh Kumar and today we will discuss about the Newton's law. Before start the discussion, we should know that who discovered this law. This law is proposed by Sir Isaac Newton, and on the basis of his name, this law is called Newton's law. Sir Isaac Newton was born on 4th of January 1643, more than 400 years ago. Sir Isaac Newton has given three ideas, and now these ideas are verified, and it's known as Newton's three laws of motion. Now without wasting your time, let's start discussion of his first law. I have made a model for you. This is a ball and it is in rest. It's not moving. It will be in rest until and unless I push it, and it will stop when some external force applied on it. Let's see. This is a ball and it is in rest. I start pushing it. It starts moving, and because of this external force, it stopped moving. So Newton's first law is nothing else. It says that an object continues to remain at rest or uniform motion until and unless an external force acted upon it. I have more examples from our daily life experiences. Let's see. The first law explains why you go flying over the handlebars if your bike stops suddenly. It happens because things tend to keep doing whatever they were doing before. Although Sir Isaac Newton did not have access to space stations, the first law can clearly be seen. An astronaut who has their screwdriver knocked into space will see the screwdriver continue on the same speed and direction forever. There are no forces acting on the screwdriver from friction. With no forces, the object will never stop. So it's all about the Newton's first law of motion. Hope you all guys understood this thing easily. In the next tutorial, we will discuss about the second and third law also. After this session, there are some questions for you. You guys have to write your answer in the comment box.